Hello there! So this is my second slow stitch project for January 2024 and I've gone with the heart theme again. This is going to go in a frame, but you could use it as a journal cover or a card topper for Valentine's Day perhaps. As we're in January, we're just in time for Valentine's Day this year. Now I've also done some templates for you and a little bit of a pattern, and they'll be available on my Ko-fi page should you wish to download them. That's completely free, obviously, and I've done that to show you the different layers that I've used and also give a few ideas on the stitches, the basic stitches that I've used. Very simple stuff, and the embellishments that I have used for the project as well. It's a very simple project. It's so relaxing though, and although easy to do, I think the result is actually quite pretty, and I think it would make a really nice gift and has lots of different uses. You could scale it up or down depending on what you wanted to use it for as well. So if you want to do this project, we're going to start off with some lovely thick wool felt, and also I laid it up onto some sort of frayable fabric. I used scrim, but you could use anything like hessian if you don't mind that, or cotton or linen, things like that. Now I cut the little hearts out of some cashmere, felted cashmere scraps, and these are from old sweaters. And I just used those pieces, little scrap pieces, to cut the hearts out of. And you did use lots of different embellishments on there, but obviously use what you've got. You might want to pick out some pretty buttons. I do use a glue stick to stick some of my pieces down as well, because that makes sewing easier. Now you can pick whatever embellishments you like, but I use some little seed beads and some slightly larger beads, and I do recommend having a little bowl available for these seed beads because they're a bit pesky and they do tend to go all over the place when you're sewing, so this helps to make them a bit more mobile and take them from place to place. You will need some sewing needles, possibly some fine eye needles if you're using seed beads, and also maybe a needle threader and some scissors. And also pick out the different threads that you like to use. Now I just coordinated mine with the colours that I was using, but you can use any threads really. I used some gorgeous metallic thread around some of the hearts, and I thought that looked really nice because it added a little bit of shimmer to the project. But you can add anything that you've got available in your sewing room. So just cut out the heart templates to start with, and then use that to cut out your little hearts from your scrap fabric. Now I did fold mine in half because I find that a little bit easier to cut, and then I cut them on the fold, and I just find that a little bit easier. Then I use the glue stick to stick the felt hearts down onto the thick wool base. And all I did then was just sew around each of the hearts using a basic running stitch, straight stitch, and then added some embellishing stitches on top. So I've given a few ideas on the pattern, the template download, to give you some ideas on what you can do yourself. But basically, you know, you can do anything you like, and you'll probably end up with a completely different result to everybody else because it's such a personal project. But it'll give you some idea on what to do. So hopefully you'll find this useful, and if you have, then please do give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.